Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can check all the items that you have from gift, from event, and from others occasion. Also, you can check all your item by tapping the menu. And this is the items. So this is all option, all the item that you have is in here. This is like inbox or like a storage of your items. For example, let's tap this one. This is all about training items that you can apply to your unit to level up. This is a training location, awakening medals. So it will automatically you can automatically see the medals that require of your unit on your unit. This is the skill orb. Also, you can see this on in this page, hidden potential page. Special trigger. So it's very helpful because you can find this sticker in this page, how many sticker you have, and memory medals. Okay, still loading. So the picture is still loading, but it's required to level up support memory. And this one, I think this is most important. This is the others. You can see how many ticket you have. This is from event. Usually from event. Maybe for this one, I will give you example. Tap the ticket. So this, you can see how many ticket you have also in the menu. So this video is made for new player. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.